Hi everyone, welcome to your English grammar class. Today in English we're going to learn about preposition. We're going to learn about preposition. Okay? A preposition connects nouns and pronouns to the rest of the sentence. मतलब preposition join करता है एक noun या pronoun को बाकी sentence से. For example, there is a box under the table. Here under is the preposition. There is a box and there's a table. But box और table के बीच में connection क्या है? That the box is under the table. So this is how preposition is connecting, making connections to the rest of the sentence. The shop next to my house is closed. Next to. There's a shop and there's my house. But where is the shop? It's next to my house. So this is how preposition connects nouns and pronouns to the rest of the sentence. Now quickly write this down in your notebook. Okay, now there are two types of prepositions, preposition of place and preposition of type. We're first going to learn about preposition of place. Okay, so these are all the prepositions of places, all the prepositions of places. We just have to understand the meaning of all these words. In or inside meaning under. Look at this ball. Where is the ball? It's inside. It's in the box. Under. Box के अंदर है. It's on meaning ऊपर, किसी से सटा हुआ होगा. पर ऑन द टेबल मीन्स बॉल टेबल के ऊपर है, पर ऊपर मतलब क्या, सटा हुआ है, रखा हुआ है. एट. नाउ एट द टेबल मीनिंग टेबल पे है, टेबल के पास है, जहाँ पे होना चाहिए वहीं पे, टेबल पे. द बॉल इज एट द टेबल. Look at this picture and understand what the meaning of at is. The ball is near the table. Near meaning पास, तो पास है कहीं. The ball is under the table. Under the box. Under मतलब नीचे. Under मतलब नीचे. The ball is over. Now under and over are opposites. They mean opposites. उल्टा. So under मतलब नीचे और over मतलब ऊपर. Again, below and under mean the same thing. Below also means niche, under also means niche. Above and over mean the same thing. Both of them mean upar. So the ball is above this. Above matlab upar. Around matlab charo or. Around means charo or. Through meaning ar par. Through meaning ar par. Amongst मतलब बहुत सारे के बीच में. Among meaning बहुत सारे के बीच में. The red ball is among the black balls. बहुत सारे के बीच में. The red ball is between the two black balls. Between मतलब दोनों के बीच. Between कभी भी दो चीजों के बीच में होता है. So the red ball is between the two black balls. Behind meaning पीछे. Behind meaning पीछे. The red ball is behind the box. और in front of meaning आगे. The red ball is in front of the box. Along मतलब उसके साथ साथ. The red ball is going along the road. Along मतलब road के साथ साथ चल रहा है. Across meaning आर पार. देखो along meaning same line, but across meaning cross करना. So the ball is going across the road means road को cross कर रहा है, road को पार कर रहा है. Now up and down is something that you already know. Up means ऊपर जाना, down means नीचे जाना. Opposite also means you know. Opposite meaning उल्टा. Onto मतलब कहीं से कूद के, कहीं से आके किसी के अंदर जा, किसी के ऊपर जाना. See, look at this picture and you will understand what onto means. Off मतलब कहीं से निकल जाना. Off. Into and in mean the same. Into meaning उसके अंदर जाना and out of meaning बाहर निकलना. Past meaning पार करना, किसी के. I came the dog passed. I passed the dog. The dog passed the black ball and red ball passed. मतलब एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करना. Next to, by, beside means the same thing. Means अगल बगल. Next to, by, beside meaning अगल बगल. Against. Now look at the picture and tell me what do you think against means. Against मतलब उसका सहारा लेकर खड़े होना या बैठना हो, whatever. Over meaning ऊपर से. From to. From Mumbai to Delhi. From this place to that place. So एक जगह से दूसरा जगह को from to बोलते हैं. Towards मतलब किसी के पास जाना. Towards, I am going towards school, मतलब मैं स्कूल की तरफ जा रही हूँ. So these are all the words for preposition of place. Now let's practice. Pick the correct answer. So we have to take the correct answer. Look at this picture. The question is, where is the spoon? The option, it is on the glass, it is in the glass. So spoon जो है वो glass के ऊपर, it is on the glass, right? Because ऊपर है, glass के अंदर नहीं है. जब अंदर होगा, then we will use in. So it is on the glass. Where is the spoon? It is inside the glass. It is next to the glass. So we can see that the spoon is inside the glass. Where is the spoon? अभी देखो spoon का है. It is next to the glass. It is behind the glass. Next to meaning बगल में रखना, behind मतलब पीछे. So we see it's next to the glass because it's beside, बगल में है. Where is the spoon? It is under the glass. It is behind the glass. So we see spoon तो glass के पीछे है. So it is behind the glass. Where is the spoon? It is in the glass. It is in front of the glass. In the glass मतलब glass के अंदर, in front of the glass means glass के सामने. So it is in front of the glass, किसी glass के सामने. Where is the dog? It is in the kennel. It is next to the kennel. So we see the dog is next to its kennel क्योंकि kennel के just बगल में है. It's next to the kennel. Quickly write this down in your notebook and try to draw also. Okay, try to draw all of these things also. Now these are questions you have to do on your own. These are the questions you will have to do on your own. I'm not going to say look at the picture, look at the options. You have options, you have to write the correct answer. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks by writing the correct options from the options. Now we are going to learn about preposition of time. Now very important things, remember, we use in जब हम month या year की बात करें, we use in whenever we are talking about months, January, February, March, April, or year 1900, 2000, all these things. When we say, then we use the preposition in. On, when we talk about day or date, on Monday, on 10th of August, all these things we use the preposition on. At, जब हम time की बात कर रहे हैं, at 8:30 AM. So जब month or year we use in, day or date we use on, time we use at. Okay, let's practice a few to understand. The math class starts dash 9 AM. The options are at or on. So we know जब भी we talk about time, it has to be at. So the math class starts at 9 AM. Mansi was dash newspapers, yesterday's newspaper. So it's a day, right? Yesterday is a day, and for days we use on. So Mansi was on yesterday's newspaper. At we use for time. I was born dash the year 2010. So we are talking about a year here, so we will use the preposition in. I was born in the year 2010, not on. Let's meet dash Monday. So Monday is a day. For days we use on. On Monday dash 4 PM. We're talking about the time, so time ke liye we will use at. Quickly write all of this in your notebook. If you don't understand, go back to this. If you don't understand, if you have to use on, in, or at, go back to this picture, okay, and see in, month or year, on, day or date, at, time. All right. Now these are questions that you have to do on your own. Look at read the question, see whether it's a day, is it a month or a year, or is it a time, and accordingly use in, on, or at. And that's it. That's all for today. There's no worksheet. The worksheet is in the video only. So make sure you're writing everything. Let us practice questions also and do it yourself questions also. You have to do both of them and then send it to your Didi or Bhaiya before 4 PM. You have to submit before 4 PM, remember. All right. Bye-bye.